what's up? We are at Goodwill in Lake Forest today. I really like this Goodwill because they also have keepers right beside it, which is like their designer pieces. So I find a lot of really good stuff there. This is like the one that I always thrifted at when I was a teenager. We're gonna hit up keepers to find good stuff there. Always gotta look at the bags first. Chanel? Louis? Prada? Julian Berg. It's $20. Why? Oh look. A fake Chanel. Like a fanny? Oh, low-key, I like it. But how often would I use it? It's by French Connection. I just wanted to show you guys because I really like the detail of the straw. Oh, I went to the school. That is cute. 7 G's, true religion. They say no, but I can keep. Wow. Wait, Lafayette, I'm pretty. It's so bougie. Look at this Eileen Fisher silk blouse. So nice.
Looks like a barong.
They're interesting. They like zip? What? Or like what? To put your phone? What is this? That's pretty cool. Interesting. So close to getting this. And then there had to be a stain right there. Right there. Would have been so cute as like a jacket. Oh, and it had like shoulder pads. Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika's Fashionica and we have a thrift haul today. These are honestly my favorite videos to film because that means I get to go thrifting. I went to Goodwill and there were so many good pieces, but I didn't take all of them home unfortunately, so I left them for you guys if any of you guys live in Lake Forest, California, Orange County. But anyways, I did manage to grab a few things. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. Goodwill is just getting like so pricey. Like before when I went thrifting like years and years ago, it was like easily I could get things for $1, but now like I find $5 like a steal. I'm gonna add one thing in here that I didn't thrift from Goodwill, but I did thrift like a couple of weeks ago and I've been loving it. I'll save that best for last because it deserves to be the last one. Okay, anyways, let's get on with this video. Okay, so the first thing that I found was a bag. It is this nude snakeskin? I think it's snakeskin. Yeah, we're gonna call it snakeskin. Baguette bag, is that the term? It's a shoulder bag. It comes out very vintage to me. It was $10. Oh no, it wasn't $10. It was half off, so I got it for $5, which is even a steal. Oh, and I just realized this part actually comes off. It can essentially become a clutch if I wanted it to. I would actually just use it as a shoulder bag for like every day because it's convenient to throw it over your shoulder. It's by the brand Peck and Peck Collection. I doubt that this is an existing brand right now. Excuse me if they are existing and they're thriving. I'm sorry, that was rude. And I think it's gonna look really, really nice with my neutral outfits because it's just like the perfect color nude. Anyways, yeah, that was my first purchase. Okay, this next one, you're gonna either love it or you're gonna hate it. I always love finding like designer pieces at Goodwill because I basically get them for a fraction of the cost, which makes me so excited because it's like an even better deal. The brand is Lafayette 148. I grabbed it because I really actually loved the style of it before I even saw that the brand was Lafayette 148. I think it's cheetah or leopard. Your girl never knows, but it's her color palette. Again, the neutral color palette. I liked the style of it. It's just like a throw over jacket. It's really good quality. I like that it's so thin because I can transition this well into the summertime. I would typically wear it with like a white t-shirt and then some just blue denim. But for obviously like winter time, I could do like an all black look and then have this be the statement piece. Honestly, I would throw this on and have this be the statement piece for any outfit. I would even like play around with patterns. It's not really hard to style this one. I do like the inside as well. I wish it was reversible, but unfortunately it's not. But if you can see, the inside has like the white background with the taupe spots, and then the outside has the white spots with the taupe background. It was $7.99. Again, is that a steal? Yes, for Lafayette 148, but if Goodwill had known that this was a designer brand, then they would have priced it like a lot more. But thankfully, they did not catch this one, so I was able to get this one for a steal. Anyways, yeah, moving on to the next item. Wow, I actually just realized a lot of the pieces that I found are name brand. That's a good day at Goodwill. The first thing that I really liked about this next piece was the fact that it was like a leather. I really like the quality of it. I knew it was expensive like right when I saw it because it feels good. This is by the brand Loewe Madrid. A lot of people are buying their handbags. I found a vintage skirt from them. I love the quality of it. Oh, the small little detail is so cute. Is my camera good enough to, oh my god, it is, okay. It has their name on their zipper. I don't have a leather skirt. I don't even like to wear skirts, but I figured this could be like a fun challenge to style because your girl doesn't wear this kind of stuff. And that's, again, why I love thrifting, because you can really get things that you're not certain about and then not have to spend a crazy amount of money. And then if you don't end up like loving it, you can always just resell it or just donate it back. I got this one for $6.99. I thought it was a steal because it is real leather, made in Spain. Whoa, how bougie. This next item, I love this one so much. Yo, hold up. You ready to see the brand? It is a Marc by Marc Jacobs. It isn't a size large, but I love, oh, wow. The person who last owned this smelled really good. Is that weird that I like smell the last person who owned this like laundry detergent? Oh my god, that smells fabulous. I really liked this striped sweatshirt. Your girl loves sweatshirts. Like, I live in them. I live in them, especially in the winter time. Like, if you just wear a pair of denim and then throw on a sweatshirt, some sneakers, it's so simple, but it's still so cute. Nautical striped navy cream sweater. I really like this little added detail. This is actually the detail that I noticed. It was definitely like a designer brand. I was like, MBMJ? And I was like, oh, it's Marc Jacobs. So I thought that was a cool little touch. And I got this one for, I don't know, I think it was like $7. Where, oh, right here. Oh, it was $8. Still good. Okay, this next one, really liked the color of it because it's like that camel, like wool texture, whatever. Perfect for the fall and the winter. It is this camel ribbed sweater. It has these like this little belt, and I really liked that added belt because you could even wear it just hanging or you could tie it. I liked the gold button detail. It's like a brassy gold. I would wear it buttoned, I would wear it unbuttoned. There's so many different ways you can play around with this one. It was a little pricier than my other pieces, but I know I'm gonna wear it a lot. I liked the fit of this a lot too. This is by Banana Republic. It is real wool, so these are really, really pricey. So I was totally fine with spending like $11.99 for this. Really see myself wearing this with like an all neutral outfit, like maybe even like an all white outfit, or like a white and a cream, or just playing around with this color palette. I think it's gonna be really nice and comfortable to wear though. That's why I ended up taking it. Okay, we're moving on to my last item. I've been looking for a good quality fanny pack. I have a lot of fanny packs, but none of them are like good quality wise. You know, I got them from like Forever 21, and I don't know, I just wanted one since I realized I do tend to wear this style more often than I thought because it's so convenient and easy to just carry and throw in like all of my necessary pieces. I figured why not invest in one. I was gonna buy it on sale at Rebecca Minkoff, but for some reason I decided to just like look online and see if there was like, you know, somewhere else that had it cheaper, and I ended up finding it on Poshmark. Funny because I saw it like in so many places. I saw it at Nordstrom, I saw it on Rebecca Minkoff, and I have been eyeing this one for a few months now, and finally was able to snag one. It's in like a very light gray, perfect for, again, my neutral looks that I'm going for. This fanny pack had like strings just like falling, and like, yes, you see these, it was actually a lot longer. It was like this long, and I just did not like the look of it on me. It just looked really sloppy. So what I did was I actually cut these strings so that it was a little bit shorter, and then I like wrapped them around like so. Yeah, I just played around with it and now I love it. I think it looks really cool, especially now with these cool like little braided like straps just falling. I wear it two different ways. I wear it like this, you know, or I wear it as a shoulder bag, and again, it's very convenient. I feel like a lot of people wear fanny packs like this nowadays anyways, like it's normalized now. But anyways, yeah, I really love this bag, and I got it for $19, which is honestly such a steal because this is a regularly $200 fanny pack. So I was really happy that I found it on Poshmark, and again, I consider that thrifting. Actually have worn it every day for the past 2 weeks, so I think you're gonna see it because I wore it to the thrift store when I went thrifting for everything else. Anyways, that wraps up this thrift haul. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I freaking love filming these thrift hauls because I don't know, I love it. It brings me back to like my young fashionica days when I would just like thrift all the time. But I appreciate you guys for watching and sticking around. Be sure to like this video if you like the thrift hauls. It means a lot, and it also lets me know that I should continue doing these thrift videos. Also, please subscribe to me. It would mean a lot. I would love to get to 15,000 subscribers in, I don't know, like 6 months. Is that like too much to ask? Anyways, I appreciate all of your support, and thanks for watching. Hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.